Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making a must-try recipe, very healthy recipe, must-try for everyone, and you have to make it at home. This is very healthy. It is called green daliya. For this we need daliya or broken wheat, spinach washed and chopped, suwa or you can say dill leaf, chopped tomato, chopped onion, chopped garlic, coriander seed powder, turmeric powder, salt, coriander leaf and green chili. In a pan add 2 teaspoons of oil. Spread oil all over the pan. Now add 3 to 4 chopped garlic. Cook it for a couple of seconds. Add 1 sliced onion. Cook till onion is transparent. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander seed powder. Mix it well. Now add 1 chopped green chili or as per your taste. Mix it well. Add 3 chopped tomato and add salt. So the tomato cook fast. Mix it well. Cook for 1 minute. Now add dry roasted daliya or broken wheat. We have dry roasted it. Now add 1 medium bunch of spinach. Mix it. Add 1 medium bunch of dill leaf or suwa. Mix it again. Add 200 ml of water. Bring it into a boil. Then mix it, cover it and leave it for 5 to 7 minutes. And after 7 minutes, mix it again. Garnish it with lots of coriander leaf. And your very healthy green daliya is ready. Thank you.